Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If gaming feels slower than expected, matches keep lagging, or connection quality changes during important moments, adjusting a few Eero settings may help create a smoother experience. Sometimes internet speed looks perfectly fine during normal browsing, but feels different once gaming starts, especially when multiple devices are active at the same time. Since gaming depends on stable response times and reliable connections, small network adjustments can sometimes make a noticeable difference. The good part is that you do not need complicated setup changes to improve things because a few smart tweaks inside the Eero system can help everything feel more consistent. Let's go through several easy settings that may help improve gaming performance on an Eero network. Try these. Step 1. Place the gaming device closer to the Eero router or use a wired connection if possible for steadier performance. Step 2. Open the app connected to the Eero router and check whether software updates are available. Step 3. Turn on gaming friendly features in the Eero router settings if traffic management options appear available. Step 4. Reduce heavy downloads on devices connected to the Eero router while gaming sessions are active. Step 5. Reposition the Eero router in a more open area if signal strength feels inconsistent during gameplay. Step 6. Test online gaming through the Eero router and confirm connection feels smoother than before.